Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add profiles on Crunchyroll. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Open Crunchyroll's website on the browser of your computer. Log into your account on Crunchyroll. Click on your profile by clicking at the top right corner. Now, it will provide you with a 14-day free trial. Here, you will get some premium offers. In Fan, it will cost you 200 PKR per month for a 14-day free trial. In MegaFan, it will cost $250 per month for 14 days of free trial. In another MegaFan offer, you will have the cost of $2,500 per year for a 14-day free trial. All the offers will stream on 4 devices. On the Crunchyroll website, click on your profile shown in the top right corner. Click on the settings option shown here. In the preferences option, you will have the option to change the display language. You can also change the audio language and subtitles language. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.